Y'all, it's freezing out here. It's 11:30 on a Tuesday night, and unfortunately, our truck coming from Canada to bring us some plants running a little bit behind. So yeah, much rather be home in my warm bed right now, but we got to come offload these plants. It's just 2 pallets. We're gonna walk up here, get the greenhouse lights turned on, and wait on this guy, and hopefully he shows up in a minute because it's the coldest night of the year. And hopefully this video turns out, because I've never filmed with the GoPro at nighttime, and I'm just standing in the truck lights right now just so you guys can see me. Let's go up to the greenhouse where it's warm. This sucks. We've got the gate open. Hopefully y'all can see our beautiful Christmas lights that the guys put up going around the property there. Getting ready for the Christmas time. The sky is beautiful tonight though. No clouds for insulation. That's why it's getting so daggum cold. It's going down to like 27 tonight, they say. We need to throw a few extra pieces of wood in the stove up here too while we're here. Trying to keep these greenhouses warm. I see the smoke still pouring out of the chimney stack, so that's a good sign. Let's go in here, get us some lights turned on. This door's supposed to be unlocked for us. Let's check it and see. Beautiful. Ta-da! We got lights. Hey you guys, hope y'all are watching from somewhere warm, although inside the greenhouse it's not bad. It'll probably be midnight before they get here. Usually, you know, we buy local, but we sold through all that stuff, so we had to get some stuff out of Canada, and they always have really, really good looking plants. So hopefully they'll get here super soon. So I got to get up early, and we're not going to get much sleep tonight. But with our radiant heat system, it feels good in this greenhouse. Our concrete is nice and warm, but before the truck gets here, let's go get our forklift cranked up, and then let's throw a couple extra pieces of wood in the stove out here because it's going down to like 27 tonight. And that's not how you're supposed to open it right there. You want to make sure that the fan is on. Okay, I know you guys can't see me right now, but I'm sure you saw that fireball kick out of there a while ago. And thought the fan was on, but I was wrong. So now the fan is on, so the fire should be breathing, but I'm still going to open it nice and slow so that doesn't happen again and I don't singe all my hair off. Much better. Okay, well that was interesting, and I don't smell any burning hair. Can't really see in this GoPro. Guess y'all will know first if I have eyelashes and eyebrows and any hair on the top of my head. That happened to Shu this morning too, the guy that works for us. Sometimes it sounds like that fan is on feeding oxygen, and when it isn't, that fire is oxygen starved. When you open that door, well, y'all saw what happens. Okay, not sure if you can see me, doesn't look like it, but that's because it's dark and nighttime out here. But we're gonna go get the forklift cranked up right now, get it warmed up, jump back in our warm truck, and then hopefully our plants will be here any minute. All right, girl, crank up for me. Oh yeah. Get us some headlights turned on. And there comes our truck right through the gate right now. Perfect timing. All right, let's go get him turned around. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Yeah. We're going a long drive.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
You want me to back in there? Or?
So usually what we do, I'm just gonna offload you with the tractor.
Okay.
Normally what they do is come in and just spin around. That way you're headed out.
Okay.
So if you want to take a look real quick, get your...
I think you got a couple of skids and 3 boxes at the back.
Okay. So do you think if you were to back up, say in that hole there, if I help you? Yeah, can you make it? Now that one little loader, I don't have the key for it. They kind of left it in the way.
Go this way, spin this way.
Okay. I'll watch out for you.
All right, thanks.
I'll hold my phone so you can see me.
Okay.
you go. You're looking good now, buddy. Perfect job.
All right. Good enough or back?
No, that'd be fine. What I'm gonna do is just take them off and set them down.
Okay. Do you have a pen or do you
I got one in the truck. Yeah, if you want to get that open, I'll go and grab my pen. Okay.
Yeah, we have to take this pump truck somewhere.
All right, well, I can help you get the pallet truck. If you want to, I can put my forks
Yeah, that's
right here, and we can put that.
Just lift this up.
I signed both of them.
Okay.
'Cause I didn't know which one you needed.
I gotta go to Savannah for the morning.
Oh yeah, you still got a little driving to do then.
Yeah. See, yesterday I had such a bad snowstorm just south of Buffalo.
Oh really?
Yeah. You couldn't see.
Oh yeah, I saw that on the news. A lot of snow.
You couldn't see, like I couldn't see 10 yards in front of me.
Oh wow.
This much snow on the road, it didn't plow it.
No?
Yeah, so it took me like 3 hours to do usually like 60 miles.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I'm
Then
glad.
it was kinda
Well, I'm
okay.
glad you made it. My name is Ryan. What's yours?
Oh, Matt. Nice to meet
Matt?
you. Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah.
Good to meet you. All right, Matthew, you just watch out for me.
Okay.
And I'll put my forks up here. And
Yeah,
then
I'll just slide it on it.
Yeah. Matt, you watch out for me, okay? Because I can't see all that great.
Can lift it a little bit?
Yeah. Matt, I think I got to back up a little bit because I can see that other pallet.
Is it moving up?
Yeah, it's moving up.
Okay.
Let me back up a little bit. No problem, man. I appreciate you.
Same here.
And safe travels to you.
Thank you very much.
Good luck. Nice to
Appreciate
meet
it.
you, Matt.
Thank you. Same here.
Thanks, buddy. I'm going to go unload these in the greenhouse.
All right, thanks.
See ya. All right, now let's see if we can get this tall stack around to the greenhouse, up the hills, around the corner, without dropping anything. We're just gonna go nice and slow. I think we're gonna make it, y'all. I'll try to get as close to the back door as I can without knocking down my shade structure. And dude stacked some boxes way up high. So let's see if we can, and of course not. About the best we're gonna do right there, folks. So let's set her down. Try to back out without knocking the whole stack of boxes over. We're in a turn and our forks are stuck. Come on. Oh man. All right, let's push it back to the starting point. Angle our forks down a little bit more. I think we're gonna get it this time, folks. Come on, baby. Oh, would you quit? It's the only bad thing about having this loader and it being articulating. If you're in a turn, you cannot get these forks out from underneath the pallet. There we go. All right, let's go get our truck, bring it up here so we got a little bit more light, get this stuff unloaded, go get in the bed. Good job, Cat. I am really proud of us, guys, for not spilling that, because that thing is tall. We had to come up some daggum hills. Now I got to see if my short self can reach them top boxes. Then we'll cut this plastic, get this stuff unloaded, and see what we got. Oh, why do I have to be so short? These are kind of heavy. Wonder if I can get two at a time. We're gonna find out real quick. Come on, baby. Be nice. It's late. I'm tired. I'm not trying to make this dramatic. It's just really heavy and awkward. I got it. Oh my goodness, it's so cold, y'all. I can get this one more off the top. Let's see, maybe we can do it two at a time again. Man, what is in these things? Come on, baby. Be nice. There you go. Okay, now let's get this plastic cut off. Get this puppy off loaded. Don't you fall over on me. Don't you even think about falling over. Okay. The things I do for plants, you guys. We're crazy. Freezing cold. And I'm down here unloading plants. By myself. I want to get these guys right here. There's some leaners. Oh man, what is in these? Jesus. Oh, thank goodness. My back hurts. Last box. I'm so tired, y'all. Oh, it's so cold. Even after that workout, I'm like sweaty cold, even though I have on 3 pair of underwear, 2 socks, 3 shirts, and this giant jacket. We did it. Y'all hung out with me, hung in there. We got all of these live plants unloaded and now sitting on that warm concrete floor and in this beautiful warm greenhouse. A couple more boxes over here. I'm gonna throw some more wood on the fire. Go get me something to eat. Crawl my tired butt into bed. Get a couple hours of sleep. Now, unfortunately, I got meetings in the morning, so don't even get to come down here and unload or unbox my own plants. But I promise you guys, we'll come down and take a look tomorrow afternoon after they got everything priced and set out here in the greenhouse. We'll take a look at it. Thanks for hanging out with me. The more you know, the more you grow. I'm tired. See you on the next video.